Good morning, children. Welcome back once again for our English literature class. So today, let us revise this particular chapter, chapter 1, Time to be a Rock. So as earlier, we have studied this particular chapter. Let us think who are there in this particular chapter. So there is a turtle called Toto. Then Mimi Cat, Beanie Rabbit, and Toto's mother and father. So these are the main characters of this particular chapter. So as we know, this Toto lives with his mother and father in a pond, and one day he decides to go out for a walk, for a outing, and then this particular Toto has to take permission from his mother, from his parents. They give him permission, but with a condition. So the condition is that whenever you find any difficulties or problems or any bad situation, what this particular Toto has to be, this particular Toto has to be a rock. So it is a time to be a rock. So this particular Toto always remembers his mother's words, and then he starts his journey. And while going on the way, he has to meet Mimi Cat and this Beanie Rabbit. And so what happens? This particular uh, Mimi Cat has found this Toto close to the pond, and then this this Mimi Cat takes this Toto and keeps in the garden. But meanwhile, this Toto slowly crawls away, slowly moves from there, and it goes somewhere else. And then at the end, we find this Mimi Cat and Beanie Rabbit, both of them try to catch this particular turtle called Toto. And then towards the end, this particular Toto always remembered his mother and his father's words, and then how he tries to escape from this Mimi Cat and Beanie Rabbit. And as we know, this Toto slowly crawled and went inside the pond. And in this way, this Mimi Cat and Beanie Rabbit could not catch this particular Toto called turtle. So this is a story, dear children, which we have already learnt in our previous classes. So now, let us take the exercises section. Let us page number 12. Page 12. See, as I told you, write true or false. Right, true or false? See, Toto was a little turtle. Toto was a little tortoise. See, number one, A number one. This one is wrong. Toto was a little tortoise. It is false. So number two, you see, Toto lived with his mother in a sea. Toto did not live with his mother in the sea, rather he lived in a pond. Therefore, this one also is false. Number three, Toto wanted to go for a walk. It is true. Number four, Toto entered Beanie Rabbit's house. Toto entered in Beanie Rabbit's garden. Therefore, it is a false. Number five, Mimi and Beanie could not catch Toto. It is true. So already we have done, children, all these things. So please remember, so that you can do better in the examination. Now let us come the other exercises. Answer these questions. Number one, why did Toto want to go out for a walk one day? See, Toto wanted to see the outside world. He wanted to see outside the pond what is there. Therefore, Toto wanted to go out for a walk one day because he wanted to see what was outside the pond. And therefore, Toto moved from his mother and father, and then he went out to see what was outside the pond. Now, number two, what did Toto's mother tell him to do? See, Toto's mother told him that whenever you hear any scary sound, it is a time to be a rock. And likewise, Toto did in his journey, and then he saved from Beanie and Mimi cat. Next question, what did Mimi find by the pond? Mimi found a beautiful rock by the pond side. Third one, Mimi found a beautiful rock by the pond side. So dear children, we will again continue. For time being, it's enough. Thank you.